guys. So today I'm here with Christina B Vlogs.
Yeah, so make sure you go follow my channel, link in the description. So today we're gonna be making slime.
Yep.
And yeah, so I'm trying to plug myself. Real quick, I have a Macari, so go check it out.
Yep. Hold on, if I can get it really quick.
Yeah.
Probably can't.
We'll get it on right now, so we'll be right back. Okay, I put my hair up. Okay, but make sure you guys go follow my channel, Christina B Vlogs, and at towards the last clip, we're gonna screen record my shop, Macari. So yeah, so let's get started with the video.
So first you're gonna need some glue.
School glue, Elmer's, and not sponsoring. Okay, so I'm gonna add some in. I'm not gonna add a lot. Not a bit.
Just like, I'm not gonna add a lot, add the whole bottle.
Okay, so then I'm gonna add some foaming hand soap, right? Yeah. So it's called Sunshine and Lemons, and it's from Bath and Body Works. Also,
And
not
I am
sponsoring.
going to put some lotion in, which is called Sweet Pea and Peony by Bodycology, but just not sponsored.
Can I also use this?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna add some shaving cream.
I thought this was beautiful.
This is the one where you guys mix it. I don't know if you guys know what you mix it.
The gel one.
The gel, yes. So we're gonna add that in.
So not satisfying.
Okay.
Our grandma just haciendo.
I know. If you guys want to know how we're related, our grandmas are sisters. So yeah, so we see each other. We don't see each other every day. So we don't have mixing utensils, so we're gonna use the Sharpie pens.
Today was like a reunion for us.
Yeah, we haven't seen each other in like a while. So
Like
first time in 2018 of seeing each other. So we're gonna mix.
Since last year.
Yeah, so we're gonna mix, and when we're done mixing, we'll
be back.
Okay, so we're back. I added some Dora the Explorer bubble bath and
it makes slime good though.
Lotion.
I added some shaving cream.
And I added
hand soap.
And
the Dora the Explorer thing.
Yeah. So now we're gonna activate it and be right back.
I didn't. Saved myself. Just played myself.
Okay, so I just activated my slime even more, and I was like, why am I so overactivated? I barely added anything. And then she shows me a clip right now, which you just saw right now, before this, that she activated my slime before I even came in here.
You're welcome. This is why you don't leave me by myself.
Honestly. Look at this. Not even slime. I made a slime earlier. Oh.
It's so messy.
I made a slime earlier, and look at it. It's so pretty.
Pretty ugly.
Like your mama.
Oh! You know my mom watches my videos, and she's probably gonna kick your donkey.
Okay, let's log it. Clock on.
I'm more advanced now, on a higher step. Face of disappointment.
Honestly. Okay, so she's gonna color her slimes while I'm still trying to work with this piece of trash.
Me, actually. You can make another slime.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll be right back. And I colored mine pink. And so, yeah. So that's pretty much it.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Can you leave me able, please? Bye. Just kidding.
Anyway, so make sure you guys still subscribe, and we're going to screen record the next scene. And yeah.
Bye, sisters.
Wait, what? That's James Charles. Okay, so this is Christina's channel. It's called Christina B Vlogs. You're going to go into one of her recent videos, and you're going to go to link down in the description. Slime's going to come up Little Chick, and where it says Firecracking Slimes, you're going to press that, and it should be all my slimes right there. And so hope you guys buy from her. Her slime's really, really good.